Hi there, students. Divers. Divers. Well, it could be the plural of a diver, somebody who dives into the water. But I wasn't really thinking of that meaning. I was thinking of divers as an adjective, yeah, or as a determiner could be as well. Divers means several, some, sundry, various. So there were diverse nationalities at the meeting. Okay, so there were diverse nationalities, various differing. In this country, they speak diverse languages. For example, in Switzerland, they speak diverse languages, various different ones. Okay, so they are various different ones. It's an indefinite number. I think probably more than two or three. Yeah, but not a huge number. Yeah, there were thousands of languages. I probably wouldn't use diverse, but if there were 6 or 10, yes. After my trip around Latin America, I had diverse different currencies in my possession. Okay, so divers, various different ones. Yeah. Okay, so it's just a simple word meaning various, an indefinite number. Yeah. He came with divers friends from different walks of life. The members of the committee come from diverse professions. Yeah, various differing ones. A selection of. Notice you can also use this word diverse as a pronoun. So yeah, a crowd of 30 people walked forward. Divers of them, some of them as a pronoun, divers of them were dressed in red. There were football supporters from diverse places in the world. Yeah, so many, several, multiple, a number of. Yeah, okay, so diverse, various different ones. Now, don't confuse this with the word diverse, because diverse means of different kinds, of different types. Yeah, so there were diverse beliefs, very different beliefs. There were diverse beliefs, there were many different beliefs. Okay, so diverse means dissimilar, whereas diverse, sundry, various, a number of them. Okay, so divers. Okay, there were divers opportunities for him to get promotion. Assorted, several, various, yeah, a mixture of. So in many words, divers and diverse go together. Now, probably as you've suspected, this word divers is really quite formal. I wouldn't use it informally at all. So let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 7. In a semi-formal conversation, maybe. I think probably better for a semi-formal or formal writing. It's a good word to use in one of your essays as well. Yeah, or in one of the diverse essays, that diverse exams that you might have to take for English. Okay, so diverse, various, an assortment of. Now, etymologically speaking, this is linked to diverse. Yeah. So diverse comes from Latin diversus, diverse. But notice these two words have separated in meaning. So diverse, a variety of different kinds. Diverse, various of a group or from different places. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Divers.